Eliminating by number 3, we are solving the system of two equations. One of them is linear and the other is quadratic or of degree 2. By eliminating y, find the solutions to the simultaneous equations. So in order to eliminate y, it's already written as y equals x minus 7, where it's the y is the subject and it's written in terms of x. So you take the value of y like here and you replace it in the first equation. So x squared plus the value of y, which is 7 x minus 7, equals to 25. Now we expand, and expanding x minus 7 squared, we get x squared minus 14x plus 49. So this is equal to 25. This is because of the a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This is the identity, where x minus 7 is equal, or it is the same as a minus b squared. So collecting like terms, you get x squared minus 14x, take the 25 to the other side, and you're going to have plus 49 minus 25, it's plus 24, equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, so you need to factorize. Factorizing, you're going to use sum and product. So x squared is going to be x times x, and plus 12, you're going to have minus 3 minus 4, because minus 3 times minus 4 gives you plus 12, and when you add them they give you minus 7, equals to 0. So here you have either x minus 3 equal to 0, so x is equal to 3, or x minus 4 equals to 0, so x is equal to 4. Now when x is 3, you replace it in the second equation, you're going to get y equals to 3 minus 7, so y is equal to minus 4, and in this case here y is equal to minus 3, y equals to 4 minus 7, which is equal to minus 3. So the points that satisfy, the coordinates that satisfy both equations are 3 minus 4, and they are 4 minus 3. If we want to discuss this system graphically, this is the equation of a circle that has center O, the origin, and radius equals 5, and this is the straight line that intersects this circle. So the line that you have here intersect the circle at point A, whose x is 3 and y is minus 4, and point B, whose x is 4 and y is minus 3. So if we want to graph that, this is the graph where you're going to graph the circle. This is the circle 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the center of the circle, and this is the circle of radius 5, because the radius here, the 25 here represents r squared equals 25, so r is equal to square root of 25, which is equal to 5. Then, so roughly this is how you're going to have the circle, and then we have to graph y equals x minus 7. So when x is 0, y is minus 7. When y is 0, x is 7. So this is your roughly this is your line if you're going to graph it. So this is the line where you have 2 points of intersection. The first one is 3 for x and minus 4 for y, and then you have 4 for x and minus 3 for y. So these are the 2 points of intersection. So this is A and this is B. So in this case here, number 3, we've solved the system algebraically, and we also solved it graphically.